Dear lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel Neha Art Alchemy. In this video, I am going to teach you basic Arabic mehendi design which even a beginner can do. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, then this tutorial is perfect for you. So without wasting our time, let's get started. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to do setting in mehendi design. You all have to simply follow as I do. So let's do it together. Firstly, we will draw all the Arabic shapes. And then we will start our shading part, as you can see. And there you have it, a stunning mehendi design created entirely with Arabic designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't exactly what you envisioned. Keep practicing and experimenting with different patterns. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more art related content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions and suggestions for future tutorial, leave them in the comment section below. Stay happy, stay creative, and keep on drawing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.